Versace is a name that is closely associated with luxury. And when AgustaWestland, now a subsidiary of Leonardo Helicopters, joined forces with this renowned fashion house, the affluent individuals of the world quickly became interested. The Grand Versace stands as a unique and opulent version. A versatile, lightweight aircraft with 2 engines. However, what truly distinguishes this helicopter is its interior, which exudes an elegant and sophisticated ambience, thanks to the meticulously handcrafted Versace leather upholstery. In the realm of haute couture, this offering represents the epitome of grandeur.